Greetings from maybe the most popular nudist beach in Stockholm, that's located in the most beautiful nature. This is Kärsön Naturistbad or Kärsön Nudist Beach, and it is the last day of September and beach day 129 for me this year in Sweden. And it's been a while since I have been on this beach, especially on this spot, because this is usually very popular during the summer months. But today we have just 12 degrees Celsius in the air, and I didn't see anybody walking the road or the farm road from the main road to this beautiful beach spot, which is around 1.5 kilometers actually to 2, depending on the route. And it was very muddy, and I'm not sure why, because it wasn't raining that much in the past few days. Maybe it's from the lake Mälaren that you are seeing. And speaking of Lake Mälaren, it's been a while since I was swimming in Lake Mälaren, so I'm very curious how many degrees it is in the water. As in the sea in the past few days, it was between 13 and 15 degrees in different locations in the Stockholm archipelago. So I'm just wondering how warm it is in the lake, because this lake usually stays warm quite longer compared to the smaller lakes that I've been visiting a lot in the summer, but not so much anymore because I'm more of a sea fan. But yeah, this beach spot over here, this is how it looks like, and there is even steps to get into the water. So let's check it out if it is still functioning. As last time when I was here last year, it was a bit off but at least the water looks so clean. And here you can find your own inner space in this nudist beach located in Ekerö. And so to get here with public transport in Stockholm, you need to take first the metro green line towards Brommaplan, from where you need to take bus 177 or 176, which go very, very often. And you need to get off at Brostugan to then walk around between 1.5 to 2 kilometers to get to Kärsön Nudist Beach. And yeah, the steps look very dramatic if you ask me, so I will not be using them, maybe just for getting out. So because they are just, yeah, they are just floating. They are not the safest because they are attached with a rope. So I will then get to know the temperature once I'm into the water, but based on the first feeling from the feet, it does feel quite warm. And we can see Bromma on the other end, parts of it actually, and all the way to Hässelby Strand, maybe we can see from here. And Ekerö, it's actually, I haven't been to many beaches in Ekerö this year. This is the only one, and I was here also on the other end in the summer. So okay, so then that means that it's time for another beach adventure with Chris on this last day of September, 30th of September. Currently it is 12:56 p.m. and the sun is away today. There were glimpses of sun earlier, but yeah. Okay, I don't think I can find any better place here to get in, so I just need to row with the flow, and we are going down in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh my god, that's very refreshing. I'm guessing it is 16 degrees Celsius in the air, and that ladder seems very dangerous actually to climb. So the moment of truth, okay, slightly above 15, 15.5, but we're gonna round up to 15. So still decent temperatures in the Lake Mälaren, the third largest lake in Sweden, and obviously the largest in Stockholm, as the other two are somewhat in the middle south of Sweden, since Sweden is a very long country. So that is a wrap from Kärsön Nudist Beach. It's time for me to enjoy more with a swim here. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.